Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome back to another technical vlog of ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are repairing a 48-inch Impex LED TV that is suffering from a backlight failure issue. After opening the panel, we found that this TV uses a total of 4 LED backlight strips. To diagnose the problem, we tested each strip individually using an LED backlight tester. During testing, we observed that only 2 backlight strips were functional, while the remaining 2 strips were completely non-operational, confirming a backlight fault. In cases of LED backlight failure, it is technically recommended to replace the complete backlight assembly rather than replacing only the defective strips. This is because the remaining old strips may have reduced LED brightness or aging issues, which can lead to uneven brightness or repeated backlight failure in the future. Therefore, to ensure long-term reliability, we decided to replace the entire backlight set with a new one. As you can see, the new backlight strips have been installed, and here are the old faulty strips removed from the panel. Next, we carefully reassembled the panel by properly aligning the reflector sheet, diffuser sheets, prism sheets, and protective layers. All screws were tightened evenly, and the panel frame and display glass were placed back very carefully to avoid any panel damage. After completing the mechanical assembly, we reconnected all the required connections, including the backlight connectors, LVDS cable, T-con connections, and power supply sockets. Now, let's power on the TV and check the output. As you can see, the backlight is operating correctly, the picture is clear and evenly illuminated, and the TV has returned to normal working condition. So friends, this completes the backlight repair process for the 48-inch Impex LED TV. If you found this technical repair video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the ElectroPixels channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications.